Hey folks, I'm Jeff Hirsch, and in today's short video, we're going to talk about the recent price changes Adobe has made to their various Lightroom and Photoshop plans. I'm seeing a tremendous amount of misinformation being posted online about these changes, so I wanted to clear things up for you and set the record straight on some of the more outlandish claims being made. Here's what you need to know. Adobe is indeed making some changes to the way they price their Photoshop and Lightroom plans. But, and here's the really important part, you can still keep your existing price if you follow a couple of simple steps to change the way your billing is handled. Adobe has 3 different plans that involve Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, Photoshop, and some allotment of cloud storage. The first option is their 20 gigabyte photography plan. This is what most users initially purchased. It got you Photoshop, Lightroom, Lightroom Classic, and 20 gigs of cloud storage. And until the recent pricing change, users would pay the same price regardless of if they paid their bill monthly or yearly. But starting with your next renewal date for your subscription, the monthly price goes up to $14.99 for existing users, while the annual price remains the same at $119.88. Please note that new users will not be offered the 20 gig photography plan at all. The second option is their 1 terabyte photography plan. This also gets you Photoshop, Lightroom, and Lightroom Classic, but you also get 1 terabyte of cloud storage. There are no changes at all to the pricing for this plan. The monthly and yearly price have not changed. It's still $19.99 a month or $239.88 a year. And the third and final option is Adobe's 1 terabyte Lightroom plan. And this is for folks who don't actually need Photoshop. And this one includes Lightroom, and they've added Lightroom Classic to it, as well as 1 terabyte of cloud storage. That plan is going to stay at $119.88 or $120 a year if you pay yearly, but the monthly cost is going to go up from $9.99 to $11.99. So despite what you've read or heard about massive price increases, Adobe will indeed allow you to stay on that $9.99 a month plan that they established all the way back in 2013. The only catch is that you need to switch your billing from monthly to yearly and pay the balance up front. If you do that, you'll still be paying the exact same $120 a year, which works out to $10 a month. Users who have an active subscription should get an email from Adobe approximately 30 days before your plan is scheduled to renew. And you actually have until your annual renewal date to change your billing from monthly to annually, if you want to keep that sweet $9.99 price. Just don't let your plan lapse at any point before the renewal date, or you'll have to pay the new higher amount. And please note here that because they are discontinuing the existing 20 gig photography plan, new users who wish to sign up for that option have only until January 15th, 2025 to enroll. After that, the plan will only be available to existing users only. While the process of switching your billing commitment from monthly to yearly is somewhat straightforward, there are still a few hitches with the Adobe website. So here are a few tips I can offer you to make that switchover go more smoothly. Start the process by opening the Creative Cloud desktop app on your computer. That's the little program that manages your subscription, installations, and updates for all of your Adobe software. Once the Creative Desktop application has opened, click on the Home icon in the toolbar on the left-hand side. Then you'll want to click on the Manage Account link that appears just below your Adobe ID and picture in the upper right-hand corner of that window. And this will cause the account management page at Adobe to open up in your default web browser. For most of you, the dialog box you see at the top that says Save up to 33% on your next 12 months should appear at the top of the Adobe account screen with a convenient blue button that reads Update Subscription. This is certainly the easiest way to switch from monthly to yearly billing. Click the button and you'll be led through a series of prompts to change your billing commitment. Easy peasy. However, not everybody is getting this little dialog box when they go to their account page. It's been a little inconsistent over the last couple of weeks, so I want to show you another way to make that billing change manually. From this same Adobe account page, click the button lower left that says Manage Plan. When you reach the Manage Plan page, you'll have 4 options. You'll want to click the third one, the button that says Manage Commitment, which allows you to upgrade your subscription commitment terms. You can do monthly, yearly billed monthly, and yearly billed upfront. You will want to switch yours to yearly billed upfront. A review screen will then appear showing the changes that you made to your plan and confirming them, and you should also receive some emails confirming that billing change. If none of the above works, you don't get the dialog with the little blue button, you can't find any of the options to change your commitment, it's not on the plan page, it's not on the account page, that's the point at which you want to pick up the phone or get in a chat and contact Adobe's customer support and have them assist you in making this switch. My own account was very easy to change over, but my wife's account wasn't so simple, and it required a call to customer service. They were able to switch out her plan in just a couple of minutes. The other reason that you may need to contact customer service in order to change this billing commitment is if you have purchased your Creative Cloud subscription from Amazon via a redemption code instead of buying it directly from Adobe. You'll have to go to customer service for that. They should be able to get you straightened out. So to summarize, switch your billing from monthly to yearly and you are all set. That's literally all you need to do to lock in that same $9.99 price that we've all had for over a decade. And for most of you, switching from monthly to yearly billing has the added bonus of doubling the amount of generative credits that you are issued each month. In my case, it went from 250 up to 500 credits, and I wasn't even using the 250 allotment I had, so the new increase should be more than enough for my needs. That's all you need to know about this. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comment section below the video. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. For more Lightroom and Photoshop videos, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and go ahead and click the bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. And if you aren't already on my mailing list, head over to jeffhirsch.com and sign up for the mailing list, and you'll get updates on my classes and workshops and trips, along with bonus tutorial videos and articles for Photoshop and Lightroom. I promise not to spam your inbox, and I will never ever sell your address to a third party. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.